Dekuma, China's high-end rubber and plastics machinery industry leading manufacturer. Established in 2004 by Hong Kong Cosmos Machinery Limited and Germany Dekuma GmbH. Since its establishment, Dekuma has been focusing on research and development, production and sales of rubber injection molding machine, pipe extrusion line, and hydraulic press, and keeps long-term close cooperation with many internationally renowned rubber and plastic equipment suppliers. After years of development, Dekuma continues to dig deep into the industry-specific markets. Both standard and custom equipment have the advantages of high reliability and stability and timely after-sales service. Dekuma equipment's cost performance is significantly higher than the Chinese domestic counterparts. Let customers save time, money, and worry. Dekuma always adheres to the German standards. The core components are supported by German technology, from product development, raw material selection, technology processing, to quality testing, after-sales service, etc., all of which make Dekuma to be the preferred choice for replacing internationally renowned brands. Dekuma products have been distributed in various markets including Europe, America, Latin America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Are widely used in automotive parts, building materials, energy transportation, electronic communication, etc., and contribute to the rapid development of production technology and processes in various industries. In the future, we will keep up with market trends and continue to innovate. Keep providing customers in China and abroad with our innovative and intelligent, automated and professional solutions to make Dekuma become a world-class brand that customers can trust. Dekuma, China's high-end rubber and plastics machinery industry leading manufacturer, Chinese creation with German technology.